Whoa, what up, YouTube? Had to get a little bit of water, a little swig of water. How y'all doing? Been a while since I posted my last video, and I just wanted to hop on and I wanted to invite y'all with me for the first video ever recorded on my new laptop. So today, finally had some time off, and I have to get some things done, and I wanted to record this video before I started adding things to the laptop. So I'm using what's this, Microsoft Edge browser to screen record my channel. This is a way for me to stay on brand. And I'm not gonna lie, I got a little bit of stage fright. Excuse me. Excuse me. I got a little bit of stage fright. Had to wait till my lady left to record this video. That was my phone, but I also just got this laptop. Let me show y'all right quick. And I got an error code. So I wanted to look it up and see what this error code was for. I'm not going to show you the screen because it got some personal information on it that I didn't think would affect the way I'm recording this video. So I'm gonna probably just stop recording this and I'm gonna put in a clip without showing my personal information. And then I'm gonna go back to the screen on this computer and I'm gonna look up the information. But I didn't download Google Chrome yet, so I kind of just want to keep things simple today. I might save that for another day. I might record a separate video doing that. But I wanted to show you how to record, how to not record, how to download Google Chrome to your computer if you just got a new Windows laptop. So whenever you get in your new laptop, you're not gonna have you're not gonna have Google Chrome. That's the web browser you use to surf on the internet. Windows like to just have Microsoft Edge. That's this browser for you to browse the internet. So when you first get your laptop, you're only gonna be able to use Microsoft Edge. So when you go to Microsoft Edge, you want to click the plus button. And I mean, I don't know why I'm making it sound like so complicated, but some people they don't have all the skills to use computers like all you tech savvy people out here. So if this video is too simple for you, you could just watch something else. But I'm just getting this laptop up and running, and I need to use. I like well, not need to use. I like to use Google Chrome. So I'm about to just search on Microsoft Edge, right? And I'm gonna go Google Chrome and see what I get. Oh, Google Chrome, the official browser of Google. So I like to use this, and I'm gonna click on that first link And you see Microsoft Edge runs on the same technology as Chrome with the added trust of Microsoft. See, I'm browsing securely now. I don't want to browse securely. I want to browse. I want to browse wild and free and monitored by Google. So I downloaded Google Chrome. You see that? See that? So I'm gonna open up the file. Open up the file. Just give me a minute. Alright. So whenever I click the open file, this message popped up. So I'm gonna click switch out of S mode. Let me click switch out just to see what it do. Nah, on Windows PC. See, I'm not following instructions, so let's open that up. Okay, we gotta go switch out of S mode. Switch out. And what else to say? Okay, so click get. Right? Click close. Let's look back on this screen, see what it say. Let's click X and it say after switching out of S mode, let's move that. Run the Chrome setup installer again. Just 1 second. So I went to my downloads folder and you click this file icon and I'm gonna double click Chrome setup and I'm gonna click allow changes and I'm downloading Google Chrome. That's how you should download Google Chrome. I got Windows 11 brand new laptop that I just got. So hope this video helped y'all. And in the next video, I'm gonna address this issue that they have in my settings. And subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. This is a bootleg tutorial. I know I'm trying to get better with that. And I'm gonna holler at y'all in the next video. Peace.